Hello superstars, welcome back to my channel. Come with me, let's do some gymnastic skills today. Let's go! First up is a cartwheel. So we're gonna get in our first position and then we're gonna swing sideways and then we're gonna land. Now let's do it all together. There you have a cartwheel. Next up is a handstand. First position again, then put your hand on the ground and then push up. Let's try it again. First position, hands on the ground, push up. Then you got your handstand. Next is a handstand walk, quite similar to a handstand. First position, get into a handstand and walk with your hands. Let's try it one more time. First position, handstand, walk. Now you've got a handstand walk. Next is the split. This one takes lots of leg flexibility. Don't forget to stretch out first. So first, your leg like this, and then your other leg in front, and then just go further in and then face this way. Then you've got the splits. Done. Now let's try it again. Then you've got your splits. Next is a front walkover. You get into your first position, handstand, swing forward, and then stand up. Now let's add it all together. Next is a back walkover. It's quite similar to a front walkover. So your first position, back bend and then kick over. Let's try it one more time. First position, back bend, kick over. Then you've got your back walkover. Next is a froggy. So first you get into this position, then put your legs and bottom off the ground. Then all the weight will be on your arm. Let's try it one more time. Get into this position. Your legs off the ground. And then you've got a froggy. Next we've got a pirouette. So this one, you get into your handstand and then spin around. Let's try that one more time. Handstand, spin around, and land. The last but not the least is a chin stand. So we're gonna get into this position. Then we're gonna go on our chin. Then lift your leg up. Then you've got a chin stand. Let's try that one more time. So, you get into this position. Put your chin on the ground. Then raise your leg up. So, superstars, we've come to the end of today's session. Let me know which of these skills you'll be trying in the comment section. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye!